Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to create your username on your Phantom wallet. So the first step you have to take is to tap on the create username option there, which is going to take few time in order for you to start creating it. Okay, click on continue and enter the username of your choice. Okay, let me say this is the username I'm going to be making use of. So the next thing I have to do is to tap on continue. So now I can just choose any of the emoji of my choice if I want to, or choose collectible. So after saving it, the next thing I have to do is to tap on continue and tap on continue. Now they say that I should create username for public address. This username helps you to be able to have followers on your Phantom wallet and also follow people on your Phantom wallet. So my username has been created. I can now use this username to send or receive crypto from any of the exchange of my choice. So guys, that is it on how to create username on Phantom wallet. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.